I wanted to play a game with you guys called What's That Sound? Sometimes I can pick it up on the microphone on here, sometimes I can't. It sounds like a car is running, but it's been going day and night. It's outside somewhere. But it can come through, it comes through the sound comes through the window, but when I go outside, all the other noises mix in with it, so I can't tell where it's coming from. But only that sound's coming through the window here, and nothing else makes it through, so I can hear the sound. It sounds like a car. It goes, it sounds far away. It's weird. I can hear it better in my bathroom, even though it's coming from outside. My bathroom's farther into the house, yet I can hear it better there than here. You guys think it's Todd? It's just sitting out there waiting for me in Pete's red '87 Metro.